Ukrainians residing in Spain to embark. Bunker. Captain $13,000. Chief engineer 12,800. Chief officer second engineer 11,000. Eto 8,000 euros. Very modern fleet of bunker ships south of Spain, Strait of Gibraltar. Free conditions. Also we have ROPAX and RORO, Cyprus flag, and then all personnel, ratings, catering, and officers. Then we also have a Spanish flag, but you need to hablar español because most of the Spanish flag ships, they have a Spanish language. Then we have a Dutch flag. Then we have Italian flag if you speak basic Italian, and then you also hold the Spanish European passport. We have this opportunity for you, and if you would like to find out what other opportunities we have within Candina, we also have offshore fleet, chief engineer, second officer, ETO, electrotechnical officers. Apply urgently because we can find the job for you. It's very difficult to find ETOs, and also we have a general cargo cement carriers. If you have any knowledge of Spain, residing in the Canary Islands, ships trading around. So the fleet of Candina is very big, huge fleet, huge opportunities. And if you are residing in Spain, there is one way or another we can find a way to find you for the Malta, Madeira, Cyprus, and all the different flags I mentioned, the Italian and Dutch and the Spanish and the different flags. And also we have flag of convenience ships. But if you are residing here in Spain, it's very competitive for ship owners to have you locally to make the rosters. We also have opportunities, AV cooks, 4,050 euros if you are here residing in Spain, and if you do have the certificates for the UK flag, you need to study about that. Then thank you very much for your time. Apply urgently, and then we will find these positions for you later, as the north of Europe has really huge shortage of crew, and most of the ships trade here, South Europe in Spain. Thank you. Bye.